back with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Just some housekeeping. I'm inviting you to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell. Whoop. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share. It helps the channel out, it helps you out, because when you do these things you get to know when videos come out. You get to get first seat view of the best ways to earn money online, and you get to share them with friends and family who are also looking for ways to earn money online. And the quicker you do so, the better the advantage you have over someone else. Alright, today we're going to have a very short video. I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to earn $30 per hour if you're shy. Okay, the first way I'm going to share with you is to check the links in the description below, because those ways teach you how to build an online business where you don't need to show your face and you could be earning $1,000 per day. However, if you want to be doing something job related, then keep watching. So the first way I'm going to share with you is called transcription. Transcribing is a way of converting audio to text, right? And this has been around for a long time. There are many professionals who use these services. So they'll have interviews, they'll have meetings and so forth, and they will have the audio, and they will want to convert that audio into text, into written things on, black and white on paper. And so they use transcription providers to get that done. This particular website is called 1888 Type It Up. Okay, 1888 Type It Up, and it's really easy and simple to do. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to be on a camera, you don't need to do anything like that. Machines are great, but at the same time there's a level of accuracy that you'll get from human interaction. So a machine might hear a word being said, it thinks it's one thing, but it's really something else, and that's where you come in. Okay, there are many people who use software and equipment to do transcription, but you still need a human element. And 1888 Type It Up allows you to be earning a substantial amount of money per job, even $30 per job. And you could be on your way to earning that money anywhere you are, in your pajamas, in your bed. You could be working on the beach, late at night, maybe you can't sleep, you could just be up transcribing something, and you could be making $30 for that job. Okay, so it's 100% US based, it's superior quality, enhanced security, and it creates jobs within the US. Okay, you could get paid via credit card, so Visa, American Express, Discover. It's powered by Stripe. Alright, Norton secured, and you can get started today. And here's what a few clients have to say. It was quick and efficient, and that was just last week. And that's Wilbert Hill. Peggy says she's very happy with the quality and promptness of their work. Staff are professional, efficient, and easy to work with. The process was seamless. Joseph, they always complete the task much quicker than you needed, and the new documents are flawless. So you're working with a company that has gotten tons of reviews over the years, and when you join their team, you won't be struggling to find jobs, because the jobs will be coming to you. Alright, now in doing transcription you will have to type, and they require you to have at least 20 word per minute typing speed, and you can test your typing speed at ratatype or ratatype, whatever you want to call it. I just did a test just for fun, and I got 37.4 words per minute at 94.3% accuracy. Okay, so when you're doing your test, you will see this little certificate. I think if you want the certificate printed out, you can pay a small fee. I'm not sure. You just click get my typing certificate here. I'm not going to go and do that right now. If you want to see what the typing test looks like, you just go to typing test, take a typing test, and it will generate a paragraph for you to type. It will highlight the errors, if there's any error, So, for example, I'm just doing this with one hand. In 1893, Chicago okay, and as you can see, it generates the speed over here, and I stop typing so you can see that the speed is dropping and the accuracy is at 99.4%. Alright, so that's a free way to test your typing speed. Yeah. Now, the second way we're going to look at real quick is called online writing jobs. There are a ton of people who are looking for freelance writers for articles, for websites, for their YouTube channels, for content, for resumes, CVs, all these different things. People are always looking for writers, and online writing jobs is a great way to get paid up to $50 per article, writing web content about what interests you for some of the most recognizable brands in the world. Okay, so you can hire a writer who could be you. If you become a writer, you could become a writer by signing up here. You can apply now. You can look at current writers. You could look at their blogs, or you could get in touch with them. So you can apply as a freelance writer. My guess is that you'll have to submit something that you've done, so just have something like that ready. But how they work, you apply as a freelance writer today and let online writing jobs bring the writing work to you. Become an official online writing jobs freelancer and take advantage of writing jobs that pay well and weekly. We offer a variety of online website copywriting opportunities, making it easier for writers to find freelance work online. You can turn your experience into income and hire the right freelancers if you choose to hire somebody to write. However, we're looking at making money here, so you will be applying for jobs, not seeking someone to write for you. So, check that out. They pay weekly through PayPal verified, and that's onlinewritingjobs.com. And the previous job was 1-888-typeitup.com. So those are two ways you can earn money online. If you are shy, check those ways out, or check the links in the description that teach you how to earn way more than $50 per job. You're looking at $1,000 a day, $2,000 per day, depending on how much work you put in. But once you put that work in, the system runs on autopilot. You just check it periodically to make sure everything's fine, and you're good to go. So this, again, is the Internet Income Ninja. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more awesomeness from us here at the Internet Income Ninja. Check the links in the description below. Continue to stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.